how to set announce notifications on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and below here in general section, you can see here this Siri. Okay, you can tap this. And below of this Siri, you can see here the announce notifications on speaker. Okay, make sure this enable. And you can see the announce notification here. You can tap this and now you can set the announce notification from. And okay, you can see the application below. Okay, you can scroll down for more. So you can turn on or off the announce notification per application. So for my example, I set the notification from calendar. So you can tap the calendar and enable the switch button to enable the announce notification of this application. So another one, the CapCut. Okay, you can enable this or disable. So okay, for example, another, the Facebook, you can enable and disable this by switching off the switch button on the right side. So that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the announce notification on iPhone X.